Video content on your website can be a helpful tool to engage potential clients. These videos can serve multiple purposes, such as introducing your team, educating potential borrowers about the loan process, and showcasing various loan programs you offer. The first step to adding a video is locating a spot to display the video. Videos can be placed anywhere an image is displayed on the website. You can replace an existing image or add a brand new row in which to place your video. Some recommended rows for videos include Video in the Basic category and FG Image in the Homepage Accessible category. No matter what kind of row you add to show a video, the process is the same. After adding the row you would like to use for showing your video, select it to open the row settings. Click Change Image/Video. To add a YouTube video, click Embed Video on the left-hand side of the window that pops up. Go to YouTube and find the video you would like to embed. Copy and paste the URL link for the video. You can preview the video to make sure it is correct. When everything looks correct, click Use this video. You have now successfully uploaded a video to your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.